Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, today's video is very important because guys we will discuss cognizant interview experience and questions guys. Okay, and in today's video only we will discuss some common questions for every interview guys. Right. So before discussing that, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, I request everyone or every viewer to please subscribe, and guys don't forget to click bell icon button guys. Okay, so let's discuss what type of questions are there guys. So the first very important question is introduction. Guys, this question is asked in every interview, means every, not only Cognizant, not only Capgemini. This question is asked in every interview, guys. Maybe is it college level or maybe is it experience level. Okay. So now for this, I am just telling you like what points you need to include in your introduction. The very first point is guys, your full name guys. Okay, your full name, right? Then according to me only na, this thing I am just telling you according to my experience only guys. Then you can tell your father name, okay, with your father occupations. Next thing is you just come on your education guys. Okay, you just tell your education, or if you are experienced or if you have done any internship, you can include first internship or your experience only, right? Education, then after education you just tell about project. Okay, tell about project, like what project you have made, or uh, what is your role in that project, right? And what problem your project have solved, right? And if you know, if you feel here our introduction is very small, then at last moment, at the last only na, it's a optional, I need to say, you can include your hobby. Okay, you can include your hobby. So these 5 points, that is very important for your introduction part guys. Clear? Let's move to the next question guys. Okay, the next question is about project, as I told, right? The next question will difference between list, tuple and dictionary. So the candidate is know the python है ना, they have told कि I have a knowledge about python, right? If you tell कि like I have knowledge about c, I have knowledge about python, I have knowledge about java, so interviewer ask a question only by that only. Okay, so in this one, difference between list, tuple and dictionary, you all know, right? List is mutable and tuple is immutable, right? And dictionary have a key and value pair, and a lot of difference are there, you can simply search on google, right? Because in this video I am just telling you the questions mainly, right? The next question is, this is common question है ना, when students say कि I have a knowledge about python, then many interviewer ask this question guys. Okay, the next question is what is aws and cloud computing. So guys, why this question is asked? Because guys, in a cognizant one computer fundamental section is also there. I will update very soon one video that is for updated cognizant exam pattern. Okay, I will upload, don't worry. So in that one the computer fundamental questions are there, so that's why they have asked aws and cloud computing question guys, right? The next question is about latest technology that you know. So whatever technology you know guys, you can ask, sir I know python, I know machine learning, I know artificial intelligence, right? और जो भी आपको पता हो, robotics, advice related to your branch. The next question is why IT. This question is common for every student. Why IT, why CS, why triple E, why ME, why CE, or why XYZ branch, right? You have a one solution for that, we have a one answer for that. If interviewer ask why I have choose XYZ branch, right? XYZ is basically in IT, CS, EC, any branch, right? The next question is difference between function and method. So this question is depend on which language they are asking, like maybe is it in java or maybe is it in c++. Okay, right? Basically अगर मैं नॉर्मल एकदम नॉर्मल वर्ड में बात करूँ guys, so basically function is function, method is we have function that we are using in class. So basically we can say a pop, or it's a method is developing concept, right? The last question is abstraction and encapsulation, guys. We all know when we learn this OOPS, these are the two pillars of OOPS, object oriented programming language, right? Abstraction and encapsulation. So these are the question guys asked in the latest cognizant slot. So I hope you all got it, these questions. Anyone have any doubt in these questions guys, let me know. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible in comment only guys, right? The next thing is, try to share this video with your friends, or this question is for on campus, and this question is taken from on campus because this hiring right now. Cognizant, Capgemini, or many companies are not hiring on off campus. They are hiring only on campus right now. But very soon they will again post some hirings for off campus. So don't worry. Just be patient, guys. Okay, थोड़ा सा सब्र रखो, because we all know सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. I don't know होता है नहीं होता, right? So it's all about today's video, guys. We will meet on next video. Thank you for watching this. And guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, I request everyone to please subscribe our YouTube channel for such kind of update, for such kind of interview experience, questions, or hiring updates, and a lot of materials already available on our same YouTube channel, guys. Right? So go and check out, guys. Any exam, if you have any exam like TCS, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, LTI, Infosys, Wipro, Hexaware, SCL, any exam, guys, you have, you can first visit our YouTube channel. A lot of playlist available for every each and every company. 550 plus videos are already uploaded on our same YouTube channel, guys. Right? So you can go and check out. If you have any doubt, query, let me in comment box, and I will try to resolve as I told. Right? So thank you, friends. We will meet on next, and please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay.